Hello and welcome back to the SDC Knowledge Series, where we simplify practical BIM workflows for architects and designers. I'm Namrata, and today we're exploring a topic many architects overlook: ducting in Revit. Even if MEP engineers handle detailed systems, understanding basic duct modeling helps architects plan space better, avoid clashes, and improve coordination early on. Joining me is Dilip, our BIM manager, to break this down in a simple and practical way. Why should architects learn ducting if it's mainly an MEP task?
That's a great question. While detailed duct design belongs to MEP engineers, architects benefit hugely from understanding basic duct placement. It helps in ceiling planning, shaft sizing, and avoiding coordination issues later in the project. Even a simple duct layout gives clarity on how much space services will occupy. In short, it helps architects design smarter and avoid future clashes.
What's the difference between ducting and mechanical versus architectural templates?
Mechanical templates are pre-configured with all duct systems, fittings, and routing preferences. Everything works out of the box. But in architectural templates, these fittings are missing, which limits duct functionality. To make it work, we need to load duct fitting families and assign them in routing preferences. Without proper fittings, ducts cannot turn or connect correctly.
What are the basic steps to create ducting in an architectural model?
First, go to the Systems tab and start with Duct Tools. Then load essential duct fitting families like elbows, T's, and transitions. Next, assign these in routing preferences so Revit understands how ducts should behave. Once configured, you can draw ducts just like in a mechanical setup. The key step is linking fittings through routing preferences.
How do we handle vertical ducts and realistic modeling?
For vertical ducting, using section views is the easiest method. You can extend ducts up or down and control offsets for angled connections. Also, adjusting detail level to fine helps visualize ducts properly. You can modify dimensions, alignment, and justification for accurate positioning. Section views make vertical duct modeling much easier and clearer.
Dilip, thanks for simplifying this topic. And to our listeners, even basic MEP understanding can elevate your BIM skills. Stay tuned for the next episode of the SDC Knowledge Series. Until then, design smart, coordinate early, and build better.